back to Food Travel Shopping channel, and I am starting a new series called Cooking for the Holidays. So in this very first season, I am gonna be showing you what I have on my menu for the 2020 Thanksgiving meal. So as you all know that because of the pandemic, we are all recommended to stay in and actually just celebrate Thanksgiving within our immediate family. So this year I decided to share with you what I have on the menu and how I substituted instead of doing a full turkey, and I'm doing a chicken instead. So I'll be roasting a chicken, and also I have other side dish that comes with it. So this is intended for approximately 4 to 6 people. So if this falls into your situation, feel free to take my full menu and actually recreate for your Thanksgiving meal. In this very first episode, I'm going to show you how I'm going to make my very easy and delicious maple pecan Brussels sprout. Alright, so I know, most of you guys probably know how to do a Brussels sprout, but I want to just give you some few tricks here in my video to show you how to keep the Brussels sprout a very nice vibrant green color. So please stay tuned to watch our whole video on this episode. Alright, so let's start cooking. Okay, so to get started with our maple pecan Brussels sprout, we have some pecan here, and you wanted to chop off the pecan into pieces like this and sprinkle some oil and then as well as salt, and we're going to put this into the oven for about 15 minutes. Put Brussels sprout right into the boiling water, and we're gonna cook this for 3 minutes. Okay, so you wanna pour the Brussels sprout right into the cool water after you strain it, so then it will remain the vibrant green color that you can see right here. So that's how you keep it very nice and green. Okay, so now you want to dry them individually and make sure they lie flat in the middle like this. Right. And let it sit there for 10 minutes so then it can completely dry. And then you want to put another paper towel on top of it. In a large skillet, we want to pan fry our Brussels sprout. We want to keep them facing down. So we want to do this until they have a nice crisp on the other side that's lying flat. Okay, with the Brussels sprout in my bowl here, I'm going to add some salt here. We're going to season it with some salt. Very basic recipe here. Nice vibrant color, green. Add some black pepper. And you're just going to toss this in a little bit. Now keep in mind, we still have some of the Brussels sprouts still in the pan being seared, but for this batch, I'm just going to toss it in like this. A little bit more black pepper. We're gonna wait for our second batch of the Brussels sprouts. Okay, so we're gonna toss in our pecan that we toasted earlier. 4 tablespoons of my maple syrup. I'm gonna pour that in. Now remember I added some salt and pepper earlier. Okay, so now we're just gonna give this a good toss. So now we're ready to plate. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make your maple pecan Brussels sprout. And if you have not yet subscribed to our Food Travel Shopping channel, please hit the subscribe button below and give me a thumbs up if you enjoy watching this video. Now please stay tuned for our next video, which I will be doing the cornbread with cheddar cheese for my Thanksgiving meal. If you want to check out the recipe that I just presented today, please take a look at the recipe in the description box below. And don't forget to follow us on our Instagram, Food Travel Shopping Channel. I wish you all a happy Thanksgiving and please stay safe.